Hi, this is Courtney. On today's episode of our life, Brett and I recently got married and now we are on our honeymoon for 2 weeks in Thailand. If you haven't been keeping up on the vlogs, we already spent 4 days in Bangkok, then took a quick flight to the jungle where we stayed in the most breathtaking national park. And finally, our last stop. This is the coast of Thailand, which has some of the most iconic beaches and prettiest turquoise water. So come along with us on our last honeymoon adventure. Welcome to Krabi, Thailand. Good morning, you guys. Today is our first full day in Krabi and we have a really exciting day planned today. Brett and I found a company called Krabi Journey and they basically offer a private long-tail boat experience and it is very luxury. We decided to go with the Hong Island tour. The price we're paying is 6,600 baht, which is like equivalent to 200 US dollars. Most island hopping tours you go with a group of people and I just really wanted to enjoy this time on a private long-tail boat and it's all padded. There's really comfortable seating. So you get staff service, a picnic lunch on the beach, fruit, pineapple, mango, dragon fruit, snacks, drinking water, orange juice, snorkel mask, life jacket, towel, JBL Bluetooth speaker, stand-up paddle board, I'm really excited about that one, and a transfer from your hotel. So in about 10 minutes, they are going to be picking us up from our resort, which is a really nice perk. We also got to pick out from their lunch menu and we let them know that we were gluten-free, so they are accommodating. Yeah, I told them that this is our honeymoon, so maybe they'll kind of do a little bit extra for us. We're very excited. I'll see you guys on the boat. Yesterday was a really nice day, so we're hoping that today will be nice and pretty with blue skies. It's pretty humid right now. You can see the camera fogging up, but I do see some blue skies in the distance. We really like our resort, the Ban Sanai Resort. It's like tucked away in Ao Nang. So peaceful. We love it. All right, we just got picked up in this little cute car. Gorgeous view. So this tour is going to last from 8:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's a half-day tour. They do have full-day tour options. Not with the Hong Islands though. I think with the Phi Islands there was a full day. Okay, so we just made it onto our boat. It is so nice, I have to say. So we have a nice sitting area over here. We got some fruit. We're actually going to be eating that probably actually for lunch. That is so fun. She just gave us the speaker. You want to play some music now? So we're on this boat ride for 6 hours with food included, drinks included. We got our music going on this gorgeous ride up to the islands for only $200 for 2 people. That is actually such a good deal. Like the more that I think about it, in the US, this trip would probably be like $1,000 for 2 people, like a luxury romantic sort of boat ride like this. That's why I'm so happy to be here on my honeymoon in Thailand. You get so much more with your money here. And I just love Thailand. Another sacred Sunday in the sand. You're so cute.
It's copyrighted, you can't do it. It's copyrighted, you can't do it.
We just made it to our first island. This is Hong Island. So it looks like we have to kind of walk to the beach. That's where we'll be hanging out. Oh, there's a hiking viewpoint? Okay. So our tour guide, Rainey, she's super sweet. She left us so we'd have some privacy. And she set up a blanket for us with some waters. So far the service is great. Brent already got into the water. How does it feel?
Feels really good.
Hong Island has a viewpoint and it has about like 400 steps up the mountain. Brett and I are going to attempt to climb it. It shouldn't be hard. I mean, we're active people. There's supposed to be a really pretty viewpoint up top, so let's go. I highly recommend wearing shoes because people are telling us that it's painful to walk on these steps. Brent's in pain right now. I'm wearing water shoes, which is, I definitely recommend bringing water shoes on a trip like this. Made it to the top. Now the hard part is coming down barefoot. I'm supporting my weight, but I'm sweating. If you're scared of heights, this is not for you. Whew. Let me show them the sweat on your body.
Wish it was water, but it's not.
Look at all that.
Hard work and effort.
Okay, so after Hog Island Beach, we are now in Hog Lagoon, and we are going to go paddleboarding. The water here is like emerald green. It's so gorgeous. I can't imagine what this place looks like during the high season, because right now we are in the low season. It's October 17th today, 2024. You're supposed to stand on it. Oh, you're still videoing this whole time?
Yeah, that's not
Just made it to island number 3. Lower landing. This is like the most packed island. Also, it's really small, so that's why. Here we are. One great thing about this longtail boat is that they have these rain shields for when it's raining. Like there's a little sun shower right now, and we're safe under here. Make our way over here. Oh my gosh! That's so cute! Alright, I don't have my camera with me, so I'm shooting on my phone right now. We're under this little cave, sheltering ourselves from the rain. It's still kind of raining out there. Here is our lunch. We got some yummy fruit, some fresh orange juice. We have some pastries. I told them we're gluten-free, so I don't know why they have those, but we got to pick out our meals. Brent got a beef stir fry with rice, and I got a chicken one. Looks so good.
I just killed a mosquito.
I feel like I'm stranded on an island.
Yeah, very weird island to be stranded on. With food prepared. Me stuck on my deserted island in Asia. No shirt, no problem. I am the monkey you should be worried about.
We found a starfish. That was like playing with it with his feet. And he lifted it out of the water. He's like, oh my gosh, there's a starfish. It's like, they're not gonna hurt you.
It's curling.
Alright, we are getting dropped off to our hotel, which is nice because they take you to the pier and then they drop you back at your hotel after the tour. We are back now, and I just kind of want to talk about our experience with Krabi Journey. I just want to say, if you are in Krabi, I definitely recommend doing some sort of island hopping tour. We ended up doing a public tour at one point of the PP Islands, which I didn't even film because it was just not a good experience. It was cheaper, probably about, I think it was $40 per person that we paid, but it seriously was not worth it. There was probably 50 people on one boat. If I had more time, I definitely would have then booked another tour with Krabi Journey. It was just so amazing. Honestly, it was one of our favorite things we did in Krabi, and I really just cannot recommend it enough. Between the service, the food, the views, the boat, our guide for the day was named Rainy, and she was just so sweet, super helpful, and did give us the privacy that we were wanting. As you're on the boat, it's just such a relaxing ride. You don't really go as fast, but when you're leaving and going back home, that's kind of when the ride picks up in speed. But for the most part, it's a very slow cruising trip. If I had to pick, I would have loved to do a full day tour because 6 hours, just the half day tour, went by so fast. So if you are that kind of person that loves being outdoors in nature, definitely go for a longer tour if you want. For $200, that is just such a good deal in my opinion. I know the price will fluctuate during the low season and the high season. We went during the low season and it did rain for us, as you saw, but it just made the experience so much better. Honestly, like we were swimming in the ocean for 30 minutes while it was pouring down rain, and it was the most magical experience ever. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below, but I absolutely love this tour and I highly recommend it. I'm not sponsored by this company. I just really wanted to share our experience. If you're planning a trip to Thailand, we planned our honeymoon and we highly recommend doing something like this with your significant other or your friends. If you guys haven't seen the rest of my Thailand videos, I have about 4 on my channel, so if you want to go watch those, I'll have them linked down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!